Hello mga ka-Pinoy Travelers, good day po. So ang video na ito, ang pag-uusapan natin ay isa sa mga topics na nakaligtaan kong i-discuss or i-share sa inyo last 2024. Pero it's still worth discussing and sharing kasi napakagandang news po ito para sa mga Filipinos or Philippine passport holder na gustong mag-try mag-holiday at mag-work at the same time sa Australia. So in this video, we will discuss that kung paano, sino at saan ka pwede mag-apply. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please do subscribe, like this video, and maybe share this to your friends na mga gustong mag-try ng holiday and then work as well dito sa Australia. So simula nung last year, July of 2024, ang mga Filipino passport holders ay allowed na po mag-apply ng work and holiday visa sa Australia or subclass 462. So sa video na ito, i-explain ko kung ano tong visa na to, sino ang pwedeng mag-apply, paano mag-apply, at paano ka pwedeng mag-extend up to 3 years sa Australia. Ano nga ba ang work and holiday visa? So basically, itong visa na to allows you to stay in Australia for 12 months and during that time, pwede kang magtrabaho para masuportahan yung travel mo. Usually hanggang 6 months lang with one employer. Pwede ka rin dito mag-aral for up to 4 months. And syempre dahil work and holiday visa ito, syempre magta-travel ka rin around Australia. And pag na-approve yung visa mo, multiple entry ito kaya pwede kang lumabas at bumalik within 1 year dito sa Australia. And the best part is, kung ma-meet mo yung requirements, pwede kang mag-extend for a second year or up to third year. So kung ma-meet mo yung mga requirements mo, instead of 1 year, 12 months, pwede kang mag-extend for the second year and for the third year. Now, merong mga dapat mag-a-apply dito lamang. So sino yung pwedeng mag-apply? So para sa mga Pinoy, ito yung requirements. So dapat between 18 to 30 years old ka when you apply. So kailangan din may degree ka or diploma or at least 2 years post-secondary study. And then kailangan mo din may functional English ka, for example, IELTS, which is 4.5 average or equivalent. And for sure, kailangan mo rin ng proof na may funds ka to at least start your life here in Australia to at least 5,000 Australian dollars or 185,000 pesos depending sa conversion rate. Kailangan mo din ng medical exam at NBI clearance at syempre dapat may health insurance ka for your stay in Australia. Dapat mag-apply ka sa visa na ito outside Australia. So hindi po allow yung onshore application dito sa Australia while you're here on a different visa. So dapat nasa labas ka ng Australia or nasa Pilipinas ka while you process this visa. Now, ano yung mga application process? So, ito yung step-by-step na gagawin natin so that makapag-apply tayo ng visa na ito. Number 1, check mo muna kung open pa yung cap kasi limited slots lang every year. So, nagbubukas ang opening nitong slots na to every July 1, which is the new financial year. Now, i-prepare mo yung documents mo like passport, diploma, transcript, English test results, bank statement, NBI, at medical insurance. So, dapat ihanda mo na yung mga yon. Now, the next step is gumawa ka ng IMI account or the Immigration official website ng Australian Immigration. I-fill out mo lang yung form, upload the documents, then submit the application. So, once you submit the application, the next step is, of course, bayaran mo yung visa fee. Currently at $635 or 20,000 pesos. And then hintayin yung result. Processing usually takes about 1 to 3 months. Kaya hintayin mo lang via email. And once approved, may 12 months ka to enter Australia. And yung stay mo magsisimula sa date ng arrival mo sa Australia. Now, paano mag-extend to second or third year? Na kung gusto mong tumagal pa sa Australia, kailangan mong magtrabaho sa specific industries in regional areas. So, meron silang mga ibibigay sa iyo ng mga specific industries na kailangan mong magtrabaho. For second year visa, kailangan ng 3 months or 88 days na work sa agriculture, construction, hospitality, or disaster recovery. So, ito yung mga required industries. And for your third visa, kung mag-extend ka pa for another year, kailangan mo naman magtrabaho ng 6 months na specified work habang nasa second year visa ka. So kung ano yung required work industries mo sa second year ng visa mo is the same thing for your third year but for 6 months. So yes, pwede ka talagang tumira at mag-explore sa Australia up to 3 years if you meet the requirements. So ito yung paraan para i-try at i-test mo yung Australia if the culture is really for you. Now, quick breakdown lang sa gastos ha. So visa application fee is around 635 Australian dollars, which is around 20,000 pesos. Medical exam ranges from 150 to 300 dollars Australian dollars. And English tests kung kailangan at least 250 to 350 Australian dollars. Health insurance also is around 500 to 600 Australian dollars. Plus, kailangan mong magpakita ng at least $5,000 savings sa iyong bank account or at least 185,000 pesos. So medyo investment siya pero sulit kasi experience of a lifetime ito. Kaya kung gusto mong mag-try mag-work at mag-holiday, mag-iikot sa Australia, then this is your chance as a Filipino passport holder. Kaya wag mo nang palagpasin and give it a try. Pwede mo ba rin i-check ngayon kung may available cap pa siya kasi every year from July is meron lang 200 slots available. Kaya kung may available pa ngayon, makakapag-apply ka. But if not, then you have several months to prepare up until July next year. Kasi every July 1 siya. So, July 1 kasi nagsa-start yung new financial year ng Australia. Kaya every July 1, i-check mo kung open na yung ng application, then you can apply. And kung wala na ngayon for this financial year, then try it next year. So guys, yun lang yung update natin sa video na ito. I hope you like this video. Share this to your friends. And again, see you here in Australia kung mag-a-apply ka. God bless.